How to make a taxi booking website with Wix. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a taxi booking website with Wix. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Wix, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Wix, it is a cloud-based website development platform that allows individuals to easily create professional-looking website without needing to write a code, in which it offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, making it accessible for beginners and non-technical users. Wix provides a wide range of customizable templates across various industries, as well as features such as e-commerce tools, SEO optimization, mobile responsiveness, and integrated marketing solutions. So now to create an account, you can simply sign in your account on Wix or click the link in the description. And after signing in, you'll automatically be directed in here. So now to proceed creating the website, just click Create New Site button on the top right and choose Use Wix Editor. And upon choosing this, it will show you in here the question where you could also start using AI or Setup Without Chat. By clicking Setup Without Chat, from here, the next thing that you need to do is enter what type of website do you want to create. So just enter here taxi service and click the continue button. After that, it will show you that your now dashboard is now being prepared. So all you need to do is to wait for it to load till you be directed on this page or the home page of Wix. And in this pop-up window, you can simply enter the name of your business. For example, I'm going to enter Greg's Taxi Service. And after that, you could also select here or enter your business address and just click the continue button below to proceed to the next step, in which you could also set up your default working hours. I'm going to enter Monday to Friday starting at 8:30 a.m. or even just 8 a.m. until 10:30 p.m. And after that, you can now proceed by clicking the continue button below. The next thing that you need to do is to simply adhere or check some of the boxes of your services. You'd also add here airport transportation, taxi service, one-way ride, round-trip service, city tour, and many more. Then proceed by clicking the continue button in here. And the next thing that you need to do is to simply add the stop member. You can simply enter the name of the stop and also their email address in here on the right side panel besides. But that is just only an optional. However, I'm just going to enter here at least 2 stop members that will be operating in this website in here. I'm going to add a new member, for example, John B. And I'm going to enter jb@taxi.gmail.com as their email address. And now proceed by clicking the continue button in here to be directed on the next page. By doing so, you'll be directed in here. It will show you what else they want to do with your business. So I'm going to check some of this instead, and then I'm not going to check they sell digital and physical products. And after that, you are now all set. Just click the continue to dashboard to proceed. In which from here, it will show you how you can start setting up your online store or your taxi website in here. You could also click this booking calendar, in which under this, you can start navigating in the calendar or your schedule for the whole day, whole month, week, and many more. You'd also filter or add the services in here if you want to or start creating using the AI. However, going back on this catalog or booking calendar in here, on this page, you would also track some of the activities, analytics, booking, history, and many more. It will show you under this booking list option some of the list of your bookings, including the name, the session date, and time, what type of service does the customer avail, the name of the client, resources, and other details. You'd also select here the work schedule, or it will show you the schedule of each stop in here. Moving on below, you could also navigate some other options, including sales, catalog, apps, site and mobile app, and many more. But now, going back to this homepage, just click Design Site button on the top right to start designing our website. So we can start creating or picking up a template by clicking this button right here. And it will show you a variety of template that you can choose from to customize. You'd also use the search bar if you're looking for a specific template. For example, instead of taxi services, I'm just going to enter or search taxi. And after that, you should be able to see all of the results, and I'm going to choose this one. So kind of click edit button to start customizing this template right here. And all you need to do is to wait for it to load, since it also takes time to process or download some of the template elements that has contained in this specific template. And after that, you could also start using AI to start customizing or generating your own taxi website in here. But I'm going to start closing this one since I'm going to do it manually. Well, from here, it will show you in the left side panel some of the editing tools that you can navigate, such as to add elements, section, pages, and many more. Now from here to start, we can start by navigating some of the elements it contains or clicking the quick edit, and it will show you in the right side panel that we can start customizing. For example, the name of here, I'm going to enter Greg's Taxi right as the name of this website or taxi website in here. And now for the vector art or the logo of this inside of here, just click the change button in order to start customizing here on this pop-up window and choose this media from Wix. You would also use the search bar to search, for example, car. Then it will show you below the result. I'm going to choose this one. Then click add to page button to proceed adding it in our store. Now, as you can see, it is now been changed. The title or the name of our website and the logo of it. You could also customize the background color of this depending on your preferences. And even the button in here which contain the phone number so that the customer can start calling us in order to book some of their services or the taxi service that we provide. Moving on, you could also start clicking any of the elements in here, including this context, the images, if you want to customize it. By clicking this one, for example, I'm going to change this context into your ride is always safe and sound. And now aside from that, you could also start customizing the context such as the font size, the font style to make it bold, italic, and many more. Then below here, you could also customize some other images, media files, content, button, and even different pages if you want to navigate it. You could use on the left side panel these add elements to add more elements including context, images, button, strip, gallery, and other kind of elements that you want to enter here. By clicking the section, you could also start adding more section such as about section, theme, contact section, promotion, services, and many more. Well, under pages, from here you can start navigating some of the pages. We have here the services, for example, where it will show us all of the services it offers. And if you also want to start customizing, for example, the details of a specific service, you can click the site button on the top left and go to our dashboard in here. But make sure to also save the changes on the top right corner or publish it. But going back in our site, just go to our dashboard. And from here, you can start customizing the details of specific services that you can offer in your taxi website. So just click under the catalog section in here and go to this booking and services. So just click the services that you want to customize. By clicking this one, for example, you will be directed on this page where you can start adding or changing the service details. For example, I'm going to customize here only the price of this or rate, in which I'm going to make this 1,000 pesos, which is a fixed price. And to save the changes, you could also click the save button on the top right corner to save it. And after that, you should be able to see here that the list of the services has now been changed into the price that you entered earlier. So overall, that is just basically how to make a taxi booking website with Wix. Thank you.